All right, so on our 6.02 quiz, you will see some questions that are asking you about probability, basic probability. The first question that we're going to look at is one that involves factorials. If you don't know what factorials are, you'll want to go back and watch the lesson from Monday, and that will help you a lot. The lesson over 6.02, 6.01, 6.02, and 6.03. But a factorial you can do just in your calculator, or if for some reason you don't have a calculator handy, you'll want to get one before the EOC. But what a factorial means is that you are just multiplying a number with all of the integers below it down to 1. So 6 factorial literally means 6 times 4 times 5 times 3 times 2 times 1. And then we're adding to that 2 factorial, which is just 2 times 1, because 1's the only number less than it. So then you multiply all of this together, which ends up giving you, it's 30 times 4, which is 120, times 6, which is going to give you 720. And then plus 2 times 1 is just 2. So you should get 722 here for this one. You can literally just punch it right in your calculator and it'll spit it back out. But I wanted to explain it in case anyone didn't have their calculator handy at this time. This one is talking about a tree diagram where Randy is selecting a shirt, and so you can see he has 3 options for shirts: red, black, and white, and then a pair of pants, and his 2 options for pants are black and tan. How many combinations include a white shirt? So you're just going to want to go in the tree diagram, you're going to go to the branch that says white, that's the white shirt choice, and he can either pair it with black pants or tan pants. So white shirt, black pants, white shirt, tan pants. There are 2 combinations that include that white shirt. The next one I wanted to look at is Darlene is adopting a pet. She can choose from 8 kittens and 6 puppies. How many ways can she choose a pet to adopt? Now this one you have to be careful on because we do a lot of these where we're multiplying, but she's only choosing 1 pet. So she's choosing 1 out of a total of 14 combined kittens and puppies. There are 14 ways she can choose a pet to adopt. It's not that she's choosing 1 kitten and 1 puppy. If she was choosing 1 of each, then we would do 8 times 6, and we would get 48 ways, 1 kitten and 1 puppy. But she's not. She's choosing 1 out of all of them. So you combine it, and she's choosing 1 out of the total of 14 ways that she can choose.